Alright, check it out. We're back with part 2 of the March sticker submissions. Let's jump right into it. We got plenty of packs to get through. We got plenty of stickers to check out. And hopefully some sweet artists at that. So, always nice to see a note here. Makes my life easy finding your Instagram. So we've got U.K, I think it is, Y-U-U-K-A-Y-E. It's awesome that you're helping so many artists get their work out there. My pleasure. Hoping this will be the first of many packs to keep coming. Also, moving soon, so DM me before you send the pack out. Can do, and thankfully I've got the Instagram to do so. So we've got definitely a note that needs to be set to the side, and that return pack as mentioned. And plenty of stamps to go around. So, thank you for that, UK. Let's check out some of the artwork to be included. Alright, so first off, we got this Melto Lords printout. Nice touch of that orange around the edge. UGLK on there. Ugly must be the tag coming in. Very cool little Cyclops character. Throw-ups, little devil character. The devil hates a liar but loves ugly. Very nice. Got a nice SIVE hit up on that brown color. Sweet. Another use of that same color. Almost got an orange tinge to it, not quite brown. Got some pretty extravagant tags. Another character here. Looking a little grimy as well. Should I say ugly? I'm not sure if that's rude, but your tag is ugly. Definitely looking like a crazy style. A little Danger Acid sticker. Look at this detail on this guy. Very nice sticker to kind of close it out with. Got the Satan as well, sticking his trident through the whole ugly throw up. Very sweet. And then a couple little tags. So big shout out to Ugly. Thank you for the pack. I'll be sure to hit you up and get that return pack sent your way. Tight fit in this pack. Also got a return envelope. So if you're unfamiliar with sticker submissions, basically it's an open trade service. So you send me stickers just like all these people. Also include an empty envelope that's got a few stamps on it that's addressed back to you. And then I'll pack this up, send some other people's art right on to you. So easy as that, as well as you get featured in a video every month. So let's see who we got here. K-I-H-O-T. Keyot? Keyot? Very sweet tag with the peace sign in there. Digging those blanks. Check them. It's got like almost notebook style lines to them. Very sweet. So Keyot, thanks for the pack. I'll do my best to find your Instagram as well. But if I can't, someone help me in the comment section if you are familiar with Keyot's spot. Look at that, we got a Keyot SIVE combo. Very nice. Loving the kind of hard style, very linear style to these tags. Well played. Same linear style but with a mop. Nice compliments as well. Some drop shadows. Orange is fresh. Flavor on that H. Very sweet. Thank you, Keyot, for the pack. I didn't see an Instagram anywhere, but I'll do my best, as well as hopefully some of you guys can hit up Keyot for a trade. Recognize the pack to start. Looks like we got Mr. Rat coming in here. So we got another return pack as well. I'll take that to the side. Check out these kind of foam stickers. Got a little adhesive back on there. And some paint markers on these circle foam cutouts. Very sweet. Skull character for Mr. Rack as always. Look at that combo sticker layup. So we got the name badge on there, and then the thermal on the back. Got the other half, and even got the two-tone to show and tell. That's a sweet little layup. Loving that. That is a sweet style to say the least with the two-tone. You must print both and then chop one. Maybe we'll find the other half of all those down the road. Some old school priorities. Don't see those sneaking in too often. Even have the nice yellowing border. He was all about the two-tone. This one's got the rip down the middle from a double layer. And I even missed it on this guy. Mr. Rack coming in with the creativity. Definitely a standout pack already. Characters, some printouts. RA combo. These kind of look like block prints. Talking kind of ahead of myself. These ones look like block prints. These kind of like a paint style, little brush. These are definitely block prints. You can feel the texture on them. Rad design there. Very sweet little stamp style. So be sure to go check out Mr. Rack. I'm not sure if he's trading, but heavy stuff. So you'll be happy if you can score one, I'm sure. So next up we got a pack coming in from Big Slugs, and I recognize some of the prints that are right here on top. So let's give this a go. Got a return pack ready to go. Thank you for that. So I got Slug Soap 2DK on there. Very nice little vinyls here. Definitely on the smaller side, but hey, size does not matter in the sticker game. Micro stickers tend to have a little unique level to them and definitely get my eye on the streets just as much. Little slug throw up there. Here are those custom prints I made for him way back when. So we got Slugs and Soap on there. 3 of them lined up. Very nice. Slug and that orange throw up. More orange, loving that. Some red Slug as well, a little bit different throw up style. Can't quite read this, so S, L, looks almost like a U. U's coming in, V, and then G, Slug. And we got some tags to follow it out, Slugs with the Z on the end, it looks like. Crazy fat calligraphy tip here. Wonder what kind of marker that is. Maybe one of those big Sharpie kingpins or whatnot. Very nice. So awesome pack from Slugs. Be sure to go check him out if you're interested in hitting up some of his throwy work. Even got some fine artwork on the outside, so looks like we got a heavy pack coming our way. So I'll sneak out the return pack in the back, and we got Troisi on here. He's actually been nagging me to make sure this made it safely as well, so good to see, finally getting laced up here. Got this wild green text with some splatter, Troisi graphics. Very sick hand lettering here. I'm not sure if he sent a packet before, but definitely familiar with this kind of almost italic-sized hand lettering. Bunch of different colors there. A little bit more expressive of the style. Troisi quite a few times here in the blue as well. Nice, we got a little SIVE hit up in the grimy green. Thank you for that. Really sick sticker. Another one of the big time tags. Big SIVE, big SIVE. Look at these. You can make a wallpaper out of those. And we even got some character work here. Very sweet. Double face. Little flower guy. Have a nice day. A little soft-hearted as well. Doesn't hurt. Got that SIVE hit up. This one's heavy. Check out that light blue, dark blue combo. Troisi on the top. Thank you for these. Fresh letters nonetheless. We got SIVE Troisi coming around top with the kind of almost flower petals, it seems. Very rad. Got Felix the cat on there. Double throw up in kind of hard style. Some green badges. Very nice. Full on metallic. Now this is a tag to say the least. Perfect calligraphy there. Check out that monster bee coming through. Awesome work. This almost has a felt feel to it. Doesn't quite have a sticker feel on the back. Nonetheless, cool additions to the pack. And one final red throwy from Troisi. Thank you for the pack. I'll be sure to hit you up with the return pack as well. On to the next. Another return pack off to the side. start off with a note that we got. What's up, SIVE? Just want to say big ups on the sticker submissions. Well, thank you. Love them, and my name is Phos, P-H-O-S, and it has been since '97. Been here for a while there. Through thick and thin, fast and slow, good and bad, paint, marker, been doing Phos for a while. I also included some mixed CDs of mine. Well, very nice. Peace. Thanks. Phos, heavy with that pink. Alright, let's see what Phos has got in store for us. Well, got some mixtapes as well. I'll be sure to pass these along to you guys. Definitely a cool little addition. I wonder what style music Phos has on there. Got Phos laid up very nicely. Good to see that he's back at it after, being on and off, it sounded, based on his letter. Bunch of hellos here. Variety of colors on top of that. And variety of styles. Definitely a harder style there versus the more round style. Eager to get to some of those big ones down at the bottom. Sick chrome on there. Looks like the liquid chrome. Very unique coloring on these. Yeah, wow, these pieces definitely got some crazy color combos. Look at that 3D work as well. Awesome stuff from Phos. Laminated up. Higher durability as well. Doubled up with the throwy and tag. Very sick. Character in there for the O. Well, definitely heavy pack here from Phos. Thank you for sending this in. Be sure to go check his stuff out. I didn't see an Instagram anywhere on there, so I'll do my best to follow that up. And maybe some of you guys will be listening to his music before long. Alright, we got a small pack coming in here with the return envelope as well. Hey SIVE, I sent an envelope. Can I please get a blue top hand-drawns? Well, I can't guarantee that, but maybe I'll dig through and see if I can find some. And we got this coming from AIM BKS. Got a character coming in hot with some alcohol markers. We got the character on the left and then the AIM BKS on the side. Halo on top. Nice use of the gold. Got the SIVE combo. Very nice. And then two little small guys. Well, AIM BKS, thanks for sending it in. I'll be sure to get some stickers sent back here. Looks like we got some paper origami coming in here. That is certainly a first. And there might be some text on there as well. Check out the hand note and find out a little bit more. Well, to say the least, we've got some crazy nice handwriting here. So we got Dear SIVE, had to write this in a rush. In this second pack, I'm sending others and more recent sticker drawings. They're about, I can't quite make out that word. And yep, that Rick for mayor, like one in March. Hope you like the new drawings and keep up the amazing sticker work. Joshua Reyes. So he sent a pack in probably 8 or 10 videos back now, but definitely a familiar style. He's got some crazy cool illustrations. We got his Joshua Bezos art down there at the bottom. So definitely a different style here, some digital work. He had seemingly some digital illustrations for the majority of his pack last time. Got some, we got Rick and Morty, some Buddha illustration here, Thug Life Thumper. This is a closer representation of the other style stuff he sent before, if you recognize that. Got that two-tone 3D there. Very nice. Political messages here. Can't say I'm familiar with these politicians. I think he was from Brazil or somewhere in South America. I can't quite put the name on it exactly. Maybe we'll see if we can come up with one more location before flip through all of these. Definitely unique kind of digital style here. That striped work. Interesting kind of glitch out. All these have Chicago reference on them, so maybe from a trip down there. Very nice. Well, thank you for the origami and array of stickers, Josh. And last but not least for this pack, got the return pack hanging out. Undo that. Let's see what our note has for us. So hey SIVE, first ever time mailing in. Thank you for sending this way and inspiring me a few weeks ago to give it a shot. Well, glad it's working out for you. Enclosed in an envelope, hopefully receive some back. My handle is on the back of each sticker. Also, thank you for that. Let's check out who this pack is from. So we got @Cruciating, Cruciating. Got the unfair lettering here. Cool little fade left to right. Some more unfair. Nice chrome. Sweet little backdrop there. Got a little sketchy style as well. Another hard style. Getting a closer look on the back side, he also says DM for trade. So definitely go hit up Unfair. See if you can get a trade going with him. Always great to see people utilizing this as a kind of open opportunity to get some people to send you artwork in exchange. Love to see that it is a nice tool for the community to send stickers in, get your stuff featured around, and then hopefully express interest for future people that also want to trade with you. So last one, definitely not least, crazy little doubled up force field and the eyeball on top of the eye, very nice. So thank you to everybody from this section of the video. Be sure to go hit up their information down in the description of the video if you want to check them out for trades, or just check out some more of their work, see what else they're putting together. If you have any questions about sending in your own pack to be featured in a future video, it's pretty straightforward. Just pack in your stickers, maybe 10 or 20 just like everybody else here, and mail them to the address that's in the description of the video. I'll then collect them in and send them around to other artists. On top of that, if you want to get some stickers back, send an empty envelope like this one that has a few stamps on it, your address where my hand is, and then I'll fill this up with random assortment of other artists and get that mailed right back to you. Now, if you are international to the USA, be sure to just hit me up in my email that's also in the description of the video, and that way I can lay that situation out, as it does cost a little bit extra to get the international shipping, as well as international stamps are different than domestic ones, so it's no point in you sending an envelope that doesn't have stamps on it that will work. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'm always down to help and answer those. Be sure to check out everybody's work in here. Big shout out to everybody that sent in. Always great to see the variety of work and the variety of styles, and then a nice happy medium of stickers bringing it all together. That's really going to do it for me, guys. Peace.